In this video, we will be replacing the stock halogen fog lights in this 2007 Toyota Prius with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. There are no tools needed for this installation. We have removed the headlight housing to install new headlights as well. You won't need to remove the headlight housing for this installation, but we'll leave it off for now so you can better see the installation of the fog light. Access to the fog light is underneath the front bumper. You'll just need to peel back the black plastic cover to reach your hand up to the fog light. If you find you need more room, you can remove this cover, but we didn't find it necessary to do this installation. Reach through the gap in the cover and you can grab the fog light bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. You can now easily unplug the wire connector by pushing on the back of the locking tab and pull the bulb off. Now that we have the stock bulb out, let's compare it to the new LED we're going to install. A couple of things to point out. The tabs on both bulbs are an exact match. The same for the wire connectors. And if we line up the locking tabs, you can see the LED chips perfectly align with the stock filament, ensuring a proper beam pattern. We'll start installing the LED by plugging the wire connector back into the car. Just push it in until it clicks. Now line up the locking tabs and insert the bulb into the housing. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock it in. You want the bulb to be installed vertically when it's locked in. And here's a tip. The wire out the bottom will hang straight down at the 6 o'clock position or up at the 12 o'clock position. If you find you need to adjust the bulb to get it to be vertical, you don't need to pull the bulb back out. You can simply grab the bulb by the fan and rotate it to adjust the bulb.
With these models, there are 2 rubber rings between the chuck and the bulb's body to increase resistance and keep the bulb from loosening on its own. There's usually a stop block to help lock the bulb into the housing.
Before going any further, now is a good time to test it to be sure it works. And remember, this bulb is polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't light, try unplugging the wire connector, flip it over, and plug it back in again. With the driver's side now done, let's see what the new LED fog lights look like compared to the standard halogen still installed. It's easy to see the color and brightness difference. On the passenger side, you'll need to follow the same steps. Reach up from under the front bumper and grab the fog light bulb. Rotate it counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. Unplug the wire connector and pull the bulb off. Replace with the new LED. Plug in the wire connector and insert the bulb into the housing. Turn it clockwise to lock it and adjust the bulb if needed so the LED chips will be facing out to the left and right. And that's it. Let's see what the fog lights look like now with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting installed.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.